Hi,
How are you?
yes. From Philippines.
Philippines. Very nice
Yeah.
people. Very nice
Nice to meet
people.
you.
Me too.
Yes.
I'm from Morocco. You know where is this? Morocco?
Yeah.
Morocco, north of Africa.
Morocco, yes. So, mm.
You are Muslim, no?
Yes, I know Muslim.
Right. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. You are
Assalamualaikum.
brother.
Assalam.
How are you?
Yeah. Fine.
Okay.
Just doing my vlog, more content. I'm a singer.
You are singing.
A singer in the Philippines.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, I sing.
Think something. Think something.
Ano?
Think something.
Uh, more on song only. You want to give sample of my song? You want to have a sample of my song?
Yes, of course. I need to
Mm,
listen.
yes.
Sample,
Okay.
please.
I want to sing.
Okay.
Nalimutan mo na ba ang mga pangako mo? Ang sabi mo'y ako ang tanging nasa puso mo hanggang wakas di maglalaho. Pangako mo'y di magbabago. Naalala mo pa ba, mahal ko? Ako'y iyong-iyo ngayon at kailanman. At sa piling mo, ligaya mo'y natagpuan. Nagdulot ka ng pag-asa, tanging ikaw ang ligaya. At magpakailan pa man tayong dalawa. Awit ko'y iyong pakinggan at laging tatandaan. Mahal kita, pag-ibig ko'y tanging sa'yo.